Hello everyone, today you will learn what will happen to the body if you eat ginger every day for 1 month. Like the video, so you help develop the channel. Enjoy watching. Ginger has long been known as an ingredient in Asian cuisine, where it is used in the preparation of most dishes. In addition to its taste, this plant has great medicinal potential. The most useful part, as is known, is the root, which can be taken fresh, dried, or ground. According to American scientists, taking ginger can have a general strengthening effect on the body and also reduce muscle pain. For many women, adding a small amount of powder to tea helps get rid of menstrual pain. Ginger has a positive effect on lowering cholesterol, and this has been proven experimentally in a study of the condition of a group of people who took it for 45 days in a row, thus reducing the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. This is especially important for diabetics who are at high risk. The use of ginger has a positive effect on the functioning of the gastrointestinal tract, improving metabolism, stimulating the production of bile, and berry promotes the passage and acceleration of processing. It has been proven that taking just 2 grams of powder per day helps improve stomach function and excretion. In experiments involving 250 people diagnosed with arthritis and arthrosis, while consuming ginger in food, they were able to reduce destructive processes and painful sensations. After a month of consuming ginger root, patients required much fewer painkillers and chondroprotectors. It is known that brain aging occurs against the background of oxidative processes and chronic inflammation that provoke the development of Alzheimer's disease. Women over 60 years of age took part in the experiments. It turned out that antioxidants and active compounds contained in the world significantly reduce inflammatory processes. Due to this, memory improves, blood pressure stabilizes, and the rate of aging of brain cells decreases. After a month of consuming 2 grams of ginger daily, doctors noted a decrease in glucose levels by 10% in patients suffering from type 2 diabetes. The positive properties of ginger in the fight against colds have long been known. Essential oils contained in the root strengthen the immune system and resistance to viral infections. Indispensable during seasonal epidemics. During a month-long experiment, scientists discovered the plant's positive effect on reducing the risk of developing cancer. Comment below to let us know how often you consume ginger and in what form. Like and be sure to subscribe to the channel until we see you in the next video.